Hi guys! How is everyone doing? I hope everyone doing great and stay safe from virus. So today I'm back in the kitchen after I didn't cook for a while. So today we're going to make the spicy fried tilapia salad. Or it's called larb. If you like larb, normally in the Thai restaurant they do like a larb chicken or larb pork, but today I'm going to make something different. So we're going to do larb fish, fried fish. So let's see what ingredient we have and then we can start cooking. Let's go. Start from the fish, the tilapia, 1.5 pound, sugar, tempura powder, fish sauce, roasted rice, chili, red onion, mint, cilantro, and limes. I know some of you might wonder how to make the roasted rice, so I'll show you how to make it. It's really easy and we can't skip this ingredient. It's really important. That's what is make it. Let's go. So next we're going to fry the fish. Add the oil in the pan and wait until it's heat up and then we can start to cook the fish. So next, batter the fish piece by piece and put in the pan. Look like it's almost ready. So next we're going to make the dressing for the fish. So first add limes, fish sauce, sugar, roasted rice, chili flake, red onion, cilantro, mint. Mix all of them together. And then add all the fish and mix all of them together.